Let me show you how to write a creative brief with an example from Hinge. My name is Julian Cole, a strategy trainer and consultant to leading brands like Facebook, Uber, Apple, and Disney. On this channel, I want to help you master the fundamentals of strategy. I'm going to show you how to use the creative brief format of the Get Who to Buy. The brief formula is great because it follows the one rule of creative briefs: be brief. It's a fill in the blanks type format with 4 key pieces: the get, the consumer target; the who, the consumer problem; the to, the consumer goal; the buy, the single-minded proposition. So let's look at the spot for dating app Hinge and then break down the brief.
Hinge wants you to meet someone great, even if it kills us. Because when you find the real thing, you won't need us anymore. Which is kind of the point. Hinge, the dating app designed to be deleted.
So the target was young millennials in capital cities. The problem for this audience was that they saw dating apps as a singles person's merry-go-round. The consumer goal that they wanted was to get people to download the Hinge app with the motivation that they could find a partner. The insight being that many think dating apps and platforms are created to make money, not to help them find their dream partner. The message that Hinge wanted to drive home was that their app was designed to be deleted. If you took any value out of this video, please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and also subscribe to this channel if you're interested in more strategy resources. If you want to learn how to write a creative brief, then check out my video with an example from Seamless. If you're interested in seeing more examples, check out my video on Cheetos.